internet, welcome back to my channel. So if you watched my last video, you know that I am still going to be doing some Zenpop unboxing videos, but I'm not sure I'm going to do many more. Once my subscription finishes in June, July this year, I'm pretty sure I'm not going to renew it at this point. I mean, I could change my mind. That's one thing I've learned in life, you can always change your mind. So if you're really loving these videos, please let me know. I might reconsider if people really want to see these videos. Otherwise, let's get on with the unboxing and really enjoy it, because there may not be many more left. So I have received boxes for November, December. I just opened them myself and then just like went through the stationery. So that's why we're skipping right to January. I think the last one I did was maybe October. I can't remember now. But yeah, this is the January unboxing. And if you guys didn't watch my last video, then you may not know that I actually spent New Year's and Christmas for 2023 in Japan. So we visited many shrines for Hatsumode. So it's like the first few years of the new year where you go to shrines and you just kind of have your fortune done, and have we picked up like a ton of omamori for different reasons, and picked up some for friends and everything. So it was really special. I really love, oh, and we had osechi bento as well for New Year's Eve, which was, it was interesting. I think I really love spending New Year's in Japan because it is such a big thing. There's just so much going on. So this is the second time I've done it, and I feel like I'd want to do it more frequently, maybe as I get older, because it's just so calming, and I think as Bubs gets older, he's going to really appreciate it. So yeah, it's a very waffly intro. Oh, and yeah, they've got this new like raffle ticket concept, so let's see. Better luck next time. Lucky loser. I think you win prizes sometimes, but yeah, I saw this in December. I've seen it now. I did not win anything both times. So let's get an, oh, I already know I'm gonna like these. I have some of these in different colors. I don't have these colors, and I really love them. So I'm gonna put these aside. Oh, but they are a little on the thinner side. I'm gonna put any pens aside. I think that was it, actually. Okay, so first up is this eraser of Mount Fuji, which this feels familiar, so I'm pretty sure I've seen this somewhere before. Oh, it's got like a little cap here. I feel like I must have unboxed this at some point because it looks very familiar. However, I mean, I've been in my house for a couple years now. All my old erasers are still at my parents' house, and oh, you can take it off. So I might put this one over there, because kind of like I have a little collection and it feels suitable to be over there. I also don't really have the space in my current house. These are some stickers, paper, no, yeah, paper, like glossy paper stickers with some foiling. No, it's like the glare from the light above, but you guys can kind of see the patterns. They're really, really pretty. And we have some washi tape. I might open this one up. Okay, here we are. Hopefully this is, I really need to turn my monitor upside down, because I have a little monitor on the side that helps me make sure I'm in focus, and it's upside down, so I always like get a little discombobulated. But yeah, this is such a beautiful pattern. Very, very like traditional Japanese look. This looks like a box, potentially. Let me open this up. Oh, it's like, it feels pretty solid, like almost like it could be wooden, but it's probably not. I think it's just really thick cardboard. Oh, okay, it's like a pencil case. Yeah, all right, it's like a pencil case, and there's like a bottom part here which comes out loose. You set that, and then I think you just, oops, hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Set that at the bottom like that. Oh my gosh, it's like legitimately like a pencil case. That's kind of cute. You can put brushes in here if you want. I'd probably put pens in here because I feel like brushes can sometimes be wet, and then this would be difficult to clean. But that is so cute and portable. You can just pop up the bottom and then flatten it. That is, I love that. And then we have a little A6 grid notebook from Kokyo. So at least, you know, it's like a good quality notebook. Oh, we have more washi tape. Oh, okay. I'm not mad. This looks though like the different stages of the moon. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I think it's just sorry, out of focus. Circles. There's just like lots of circles that are, some are foiled brown and some are just more like the outline. But this is not washi paper. This is like plastic. So not really my favorite. I prefer washi paper, but it does feel at least a lot more solid, though you will need scissors to cut it. And then we have some, it's like origami paper, but really it's paper intended to create little envelopes, which you can use to like give money to people, like ang pao. And I think all the paper, from what I can see, we'll open it up and have a look, but I think at the back they've got like a pattern so you know how to cut it out. Alright, so here's the paper. There's like 4 different designs. Yeah, 4 different designs. And then if we flip it over, oh, there is like no outline. What? Am I a liar? Oh. Okay, so there's only one piece that has the outline. I guess they want you to cut this out and then trace it over. So yeah, I mean, in a way it's annoying, but in another way it means that this paper can be used for other things. It doesn't have to be necessarily used for these envelopes. So you can always see things glass half full. And then the last one, I think this is like a sticker sheet. I've noticed that recently Zenpop have been releasing like their own custom sticker sheets to kind of represent the theme for the month. So given it's New Year, you've got your New Year mochi, New Year's design, the bamboo. Oh my god, I saw so many of these. I really wish we could bring some of this home, because New Year's in Australia, I mean, New Year's in Australia is probably similar to New Year's in most Western countries. It's like people go drinking and then you have fireworks, which is great, but it's not really my vibe. I love the way the Japanese celebrate it more, because it's very like family focused. We have dinner together. You have like your prayers. I mean, I'm not Buddhist or anything like that, but I like the concept of, it's almost like making wishes, I guess, and then just like wishing for like positivity in the new year, and eating mochi. So I know that Violet and I both love to celebrate New Year's this way. It just feels more, I don't know how to describe it, it's more aligned to who we are. We're much more homey people, and we're much more like, in a sense, family oriented people in that way. So this is the sticker sheet without all the glare. We got 6 stickers. So yeah, that is everything in January's Zenpop box. Let's go try out those pens. There are 3 pens here, and you can see the 3 different colors, like a more lavender purple, kind of a brown, and then a more reddy rust color. Limited edition. And I'm going to open the box here because I thought the way they package it, I just love the way the Japanese package stuff. Just so satisfying. As I said before, I already have a few of these in previous either Japan crate boxes or Zenpop boxes. I don't remember the thickness. I think they are 0.8 as well. Hopefully they are, because I really love using these in my hobonichi. They just work really well. So let's take the tips off. All right, so this in this reddish orangey color. I love these colors because I'm a big fan of like more muted colors. I think if you've watched me for any length of time, that doesn't come as a surprise. I'm just really over the very vibrant, strong colors that most brands generally issue. So like this one, this is such a nice, I think this might be my favorite. It's kind of a gray brown color. So you'll normally get like brown colors for pens and you'll get gray, but to have this really beautiful mixture, that's really rare. So I think this is probably my favorite shade out of this whole package. I've been really tempted, really tempted to splurge and then buy the entire set. But one, I still do Zenpop boxes, so I know that there might be more coming. And there's something, I don't know whether it's because I've had a very collector-like mentality, so I like to collect the full set of things. But not having the full set of these pens and just having like a small selection of colors kind of makes them feel extra special when I use them. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy for thinking that. This color is initially quite similar to the one above, but when you actually draw it out. It's a very, oh, it's such a good purple. I actually really like this one too. Okay, the two bottom ones are definitely my favorite. But see, like now I feel like these pens are like extra special because they don't come in a set and it's all I've got. And I'm definitely going to be using them in my functional Hobonichi weeks. They just, love them, love them. All right, this box was really good. See, when you have like a really good Zenpop box, I'm like, oh, I kind of feel like maybe I want to keep it up and keep, but the thing is, if you think of it practically, right, the boxes themselves are not the cheapest. So like for a year's subscription, I think the charge came through, oh, I can't remember now, but it was several $100s. And I'm like, I could take that same money and just buy the stuff that I really love, like these pens. However, the downside is that I would not know these pens existed unless I had those Zenpop boxes, because I don't normally go to the stationery websites and refresh and check. It's not something I do. So I know that I generally don't know when things come out, and I discover them in boxes. So there's that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this rambling video. I'm sorry if it was too rambly, but I feel like I'm just in a much more rambling mood this year, so you might have to put up, or not, you don't have to watch my videos where I'm just going to waffle on a lot more. So yes, thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.